What else? Means you are doing good. You are based in Delhi or what?
Yeah, I am based from Delhi.
Okay. And you are handling PR for
I'm
this.
joining. Yeah, Shweta Parashar, and
Okay.
interior designer. And one more client, Theme Weaver. He's a luxury wedding designer.
Oh. Oh.
Yeah.
Wait, just wait. I will check
So
my
how are you,
internet.
sir? How is your work going, sir?
Work from home presently. And what we say?
Okay.
Lot of assignments are going on. Those are some personal also. And some of them are office. So that's not the issue. Means I'm changing my this thing, connectivity. Yeah. Yeah. Now I'm on secured connection. No issues. And can you brief me about this movie? Means what? This suicide or murder?
This movie based on Sushant Singh's life.
Okay. And do you know who is playing role of Sushant Singh Rajput?
Remember right now.
You don't know.
His name. Actually, I know.
Okay.
Right now, I not remember.
Acha, Shweta is coming, and I'll admit her.
Yeah. Just to check. Let me check. Yeah. Let me check.
Yeah. Hi, Shweta. Good morning. Hello, Shweta. Can you listen? Your voice is not coming, Shweta.
Correctly.
Yeah, hi. Can you hear me now?
Yeah, certainly.
Yeah. Hi, Shweta.
Yeah.
Hi.
Yeah.
So,
Yeah.
good morning and
Journalist
welcome.
Srinivasam.
Yeah.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Yeah. He's a journalist, his name is Srinivasam. He's a poet, sub-editor, translator, and freelancer right from Pune, Maharashtra, and working with Daily Prabhat as a feature editor.
Yes.
So nice meeting you, sir.
Thank you. Welcome to the interview, this chat room. And we'll discuss about your debut in Bollywood, right? And the movie, the role you are playing.
Okay, sir.
Right?
Okay, sir. Yes, sir.
I heard in your profile you are actress from Telugu movies, right?
Yes, sir, that's right.
So,
yes,
how
sir,
many
that's
movies
right.
you did in Telugu and how was your experience?
So, sir, now the very interesting fact is that my movie is releasing soon on OTT platform.
Okay.
It's called Osho. It's under Annapurna Studio production.
Okay. Right. And
yes, sir.
How long you are associated with film industry as well as some short films you must have done?
Okay. So, sir, I haven't really done any short film, honestly.
Okay.
But I used to do theater at Prithvi Theater. I've done it like for 2.5, 3 years with Gulzar Sahab and Salim Arif sir.
Oh, wow. Gulzar Sahab, working with Gulzar Sahab, that's something different and great. So it would be a rare opportunity.
Yes, sir.
And
it was such a good opportunity, sir.
And how is your experience working in Bollywood? Because Bollywood is supposed to be the best ever and most professional film industry as compared to Indian film industry. Or even if we see on international panorama, Bollywood has some high regards from all over the world. So, how was your experience working in Bollywood?
So, sir, right now we haven't started shooting. We are shooting
Okay.
from September end.
Okay.
Though right now it's been good, the kind of response I'm getting. Then
Yes.
I'm getting really good response. But of course, then you have people, I'm getting death threats also.
Okay.
So it's interesting. I
It's
think
interesting.
my debut in Bollywood is, yes. My debut in Bollywood is already, I think, it's very, very interesting. It's very filmy itself.
Oh, wow.
Then
How?
my, yes, so
If
because
it
I'm
is
getting all
filmy,
the,
yeah.
I get, because sir, see, at first I thought because since I have a theater background, I only get attracted to, the character,
Okay.
and the script has to be really, really interesting. So
Okay.
even like the Telugu film I'm talking about,
Yeah.
so it is, as you see, sir, now Bollywood has still progressed a little, and we do have a female-centric film, but they're still limited,
Okay.
you know.
Yeah.
And in Telugu, since it's a regional cinema, though it's huge, I think it's
Okay.
huge because even Hindi audience watches Telugu cinema.
Yeah.
We all know who Allu Arjun is. We all know, who Ram Charan is.
Yeah.
So, sir, now the thing is that when I shot for my Telugu film, I think it's one of the best industry,
Okay.
and it is so professional. I tell you, it is such a pleasure working there.
Oh,
I
great.
mean, such a pleasure.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. I mean, and with the team also and the audience also, it is so great.
क्या बात है?
And हाँ जी सर. और
Yes.
जैसे अब बॉलीवुड की अगर हम बात करें, so you're comfortable in Hindi?
Yeah, I'm comfortable. No problem.
Okay. So
Yeah.
you want me to speak in Hindi or English? I can
No,
talk both.
you can talk spontaneously whatever language you speak. I don't mind. Means English is okay, Hindi is also
Okay.
okay. Yeah.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Okay. Okay. So, sir, with my Bollywood debut, you can say, it is
Yeah.
interesting because I get 1,000 messages every day, and I'm not exaggerating. Thousand
Oh,
messages every day.
great.
The beautiful part is that people are always texting me that you have our support, we are with you.
Okay.
They always are in praises.
Yeah.
But of course, then there are people who, like yesterday, for example, I got a message. I got up and I saw this message that they're like, "Oh, we'll file a FIR
Oh,
against you. We'll do this. We'll do that." But sir, it doesn't scare me or I don't take it negatively because I understand it's their sentiments talking.
okay. Okay.
See, they don't hate me personally. You know what I mean?
Yeah, I know. Yes.
Yeah, so it's just, I think it's just a love my character is getting.
क्या बात है? तो
So, yes, sir.
आपने बताया कि आपका सिलेक्शन जो है इस रोल के लिए, that was also filmy. How you got selected? मतलब वो क्या हुआ था?
So,
Side or
sir, yes, sir. तो सर क्या हुआ, जैसे मैंने वो कुछ खा रहे हैं, so sorry sir.
It's okay.
So सर क्या हुआ था,
हम्म.
so जैसे कि थिएटर से बैकग्राउंड है मेरा, so मुझे मोनोलॉग्स करना बहुत पसंद है.
Wow.
और मुझे जैसे राइट नाउ आई वाज जस्ट टेलिंग दैट आई एम ऑब्सेस्ड एंड आई लव न्यू लैंग्वेजेस. सो जब मैं थिएटर करती थी, मैं मुंबई में, मुझे मराठी बोलना, मराठी लोगों से मतलब जो बोलते थे उनसे बात करना मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगता है. मैं वॉइस मॉड्यूलेशन का मुझे बहुत शौक है और अलग अलग जैसे कैरेक्टर बन जाना. तो मैंने ये 2 मोनोलॉग किए थे कुछ, आई थिंक लास्ट ईयर किए होंगे जब मैं अपनी फिल्म शूट कर रही थी. एक था प्यार का पंचनामा, कार्तिक आर्यन वाला.
ओके.
और दूसरा था आलिया भट्ट का था, हाईवे मूवी से लास्ट में there's this scene, there's a proper big scene जहाँ where she is crying,
Oh, yeah.
So that is her monologue.
Okay.
And then there's one, of course, that I think everybody has done it. That's Kareena Kapoor from Jab We Met.
Right.
Yes.
So, yeah. So, मैंने वो रिकॉर्ड करके आई थिंक भेजा होगा कभी कहीं किसी ने मांगा होगा कि आप मोनोलॉग कर सकते हैं डायलॉग्स का जो होता है तो आई थिंक सर ने देखा एंड सर कॉन्टेक्टेड एंड सर ने मुझे स्टोरी और सबके बारे में मुझे बताया एंड I was thinking a little. I thought, though the script is so strong, I was very intrigued.
Yes.
Lekin, I was like little confused because since I'm a lead role, but this character has lots and lots of layers. So, and I was like, it's my debut film. Normally, आप बॉलीवुड का सोचते हो हीरोइन के बारे में आपको लगेगा वो पेड़ के आसपास डांस होगा. That's what you've imagined since childhood, and that's what we all wanted to do.
Okay.
In that chiffon sari, and so this was like, but this as an actor, this was really interesting for me.
क्या बात है?
Because जैसे मैंने पहले mention किया है कि ये ऐसा रोल मैंने देखा था काजोल मैम did in Gup. She was a lead actress, yes. But she had layers.
You have mentioned this on
Normally,
Facebook
lot of
also.
actresses they don't. Yes, sir. Because मुझे उससे better example कोई लगता ही नहीं है.
Okay.
So
निशित ने मुझे बताया कि
that's what I can relate to.
Okay. निशित ने मुझे बताया कि सुसाइड और मर्डर इस मूवी में एक इम्पोर्टेंट रोल तुम कर रही हो.
Yes, sir.
तो ये रोल अभी सुशांत सिंह राजपूत का केस अभी चल रहा है सब जुडाइस है.
Correct.
और इतने हॉट टॉपिक पे इतने जल्दी ये मूवी बन रहा है और आप एक लीड रोल उसमें कर रही हो. तो आपका रोल क्या है इस फिल्म में? पीपल आर ईगर टू नो व्हाट यू आर प्लेइंग एक्चुअली.
So, sir, my role is of a troublemaker in the movie.
Okay.
And, I have been mentioning, for me, this is not just a movie. It's a movement. Because अब देखोगे, not just right now, but पिछले जब से Me Too movement start हुआ.
Yes.
तब से, it's become like people are coming out and talking about things like nepotism, Bollywood mafia, and, all these things. So I think this is about that. This will expose, how. See, I'm not against nepotism, sir. To be honest,
yeah. Okay.
But I personally feel, be it any industry or in your personal life, as we also talk about feminism. What is feminism? I think everything is about equal opportunity. That's it.
Oh. Yes.
So, when it comes to movie industry or any industry for that matter, it doesn't matter if somebody is an insider or an outsider. Yes. But they should be treated equal. They should be, treated according to their talent.
Talent should be honored.
Yes, sir. Because, but for that also, you have to have an equal opportunity. For example, sir, now an actor like Nawazuddin sir, he started with Munna Bhai.
Yes.
How many people did notice him? I did not.
Okay.
Nobody noticed him, though he was brilliant. Now we go back and see the scene, we realize it. But as an audience, our minds are very set. अच्छा ये lead actor है, ये lead actress है, इनका काम देखते हैं. Supporting का अभी देखना शुरू किया है पिछले 2 साल से लोगों ने.
Right.
For जैसे if you take Ayushmann ki movies, where Neena Gupta ma'am, she got so much fame by she was a supporting actress. But now people have changed, audience has changed.
Okay.
And now a person like Ayushmann Khurrana, he's doing amazing.
Wonders.
Now he's an outsider. But so why is he doing amazing? Because he had that opportunity. He was lucky enough.
Yeah.
Now Nawazuddin didn't. Yeah, and Nawazuddin did not get Vicky Donor as his first film.
Right. Yeah.
Yeah. So if Nawazuddin sir, technically for all of us, his first movie was Wasipur. And so trust me, that's my favorite movie till date. I can watch both parts, like 5 hours together, because it is so wonderful.
Yes.
So, that's my... Yes, sir.
Nishit, also means you also can answer this, and Shweta, you also can answer this. Debut in Bollywood, with a negative role. Means like you said, Kajolin Gupta, or with some gray shade as a troublemaker.
Yes, sir.
So how you take
Yes,
it?
sir.
You take it in positive manner, or you want to show that you have something, some ability to do different things, even if you are at your debut level. कैसा लगता है? मतलब
you know,
शुरू में ही नेगेटिव रोल लेना,
हाँ.
ये रिस्क नहीं लगती आपको?
हाँ बिल्कुल सर, रिस्क है ही ये.
हाँ बराबर है ना निश्चित.
She will manage, yeah.
Yeah, she will manage.
सर
तो
मुझे ऐसा लगता है, सर मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि मेरा कोई भी कैरेक्टर है, अगर मैं इस कैरेक्टर को ऐसे देखूं कि ये नेगेटिव है, तो मैं जस्टिस नहीं कर पाऊंगी.
Okay.
You know, to feel that character, no matter if that character is a troublemaker. But
Okay.
for me, I have to justify to myself why is she doing that.
Okay.
You know, अगर मैं उसको श्वेता के जैसे देखूं, श्वेता is like, no, this person is wrong. Then how will I play that? How will you get convinced that I'm a troublemaker if I don't believe I'm a troublemaker?
Yeah.
You know, so
Right.
so you know, so for that I don't see the character as negative or positive. I
Okay.
just see it as a character with certain traits in it.
Right. Okay.
You know, that's for audience to decide. You know, if she's a negative role, if she's a
You are
negative
there.
character in a certain person's
Yes.
life. Yeah.
Yes.
You know, maybe if I'm playing a troublemaker, maybe in a troublemaker life, she's not bad. Maybe she thinks she's the best.
Yeah.
You know, so I don't see it like that. Sir.
इसका मतलब ऐसा है कि इसमें कोई रिस्क नहीं है नेगेटिव रोल करने में.
सर यू नो, मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि मैंने क्यों, मतलब मुझे इतना वो नहीं लगता क्योंकि अभी ऑडियंस भी चेंज हो गई है.
Right.
एंड मुझे सर यू नो, आई थिंक इट्स अ अपॉर्चुनिटी फॉर मी. इट्स अ गैम्बल. You know,
It's a
if
gamble.
this
Yeah.
goes well, then you know, yeah. So if
Yes.
this, because it's a very strong character, how many people get such strong character? If you see, sir,
Right.
my poster is released. How many people do you
Yeah.
see जिनको ऐसा response मिलता है?
Exactly. So,
So
all the best
I
wishes for your debut in
think
Bollywood.
now it was a good gamble.
Oh yeah.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
And there are two questions for you. Who are idols? Idols means किसको आप सबसे अच्छा मानती है इंडस्ट्री में? तेलुगु इंडस्ट्री हो, हिंदी हो, बॉलीवुड हो, हॉलीवुड हो, एनी द पर्सन हु अपीयर्स ऑन स्क्रीन, सबसे अच्छा परफॉर्मेंस आपको किसका लगता है? आपके आइडल्स कौन है?
Okay. सर आई बी वेरी ऑनेस्ट, मैं बहुत मूवीज देखती हूँ और मैं बहुत बुक्स पढ़ती हूँ. हर मूवी के साथ मुझे फेवरेट बदल जाते हैं.
ओके.
आजकल इतने अमेजिंग टैलेंट है,
ओके,
इतना अमेजिंग टैलेंट है, समझ नहीं आता कि कौन कितना अच्छा है. बट जैसे अगर आप तेलुगु इंडस्ट्री में बात करो, so there's so many, sir. You know, Telugu, I think the films, the kind of films they make, now their stories are amazing, of course.
Yeah, I know.
And their aura on screen is something else. They are
Yes.
like something else on screen. You're always in awe. Like, for example, Allu Arjun. I think the way he dances, the way he's very massy, you can say.
Yes.
What wonderful, you enjoy watching him. Like, for example, I even talked yesterday, I saw a video of Diljit Dosanjh.
Okay.
What an entertainer.
Yeah. Yes.
What an entertainer. He was just talking to Alexa, that's it.
Yeah.
And that's one video, sir, you can watch 10 times and you'll still feel so happy.
अल्लू अर्जुन के बारे में आपने बताया. अल्लू अर्जुन का एक मूवी मेरे सिटी में, होम टाउन मेरा सातारा है, पुणे से 110 किलोमीटर्स. That movie lasted in the theater for more than 30 weeks. There are no Telugu speakers in Satara, means very few, but still Marathi audience appreciated him like anything.
That's very good.
So
very
yeah.
Yeah, he is a wonderful human, sir. With wonderful energy.
Yes.
And I think that you can see on screen. He's such an honest artist.
Yeah.
If you see, you know, so I think it always reflects. And sir, you know,
हिंदी में
honestly, cinema is one thing. Sorry, sir, cinema एक ऐसी you know कला है जिसकी कोई लैंग्वेज, कोई म्यूजिक, किसी को फर्क नहीं पड़ता. जो दिखता है, जो अच्छा लगता है, वो देखते हैं.
Yes. और हिंदी इंडस्ट्री के ऑडियंस में आइडल्स कौन है? हिंदी
इंडस्ट्री सर मुझे कंगना, मुझे विद्या बालन, और दे आर सुपर्ब and I think Vicky Kaushal is superb.
Exactly.
He's very good.
Yeah.
Rajkumar is superb.
Yeah.
Yeah. So I like all these actors.
Yes.
Very offbeat, very dare. I like them.
Okay. Yes. Nishit, do you want to ask anything?
Sir.
Nishit, you can also ask.
No, sir. I am talking about daily.
Listening. Okay. And Shweta, now this OTT platform is being much popular, and pocket screen means mobile screen movies, Netflix, a number of things are happening. So do you think this is a good opportunity for upcoming actors and movie makers, directors? There are web series. क्या लगता है ये बहुत अच्छी अपॉर्चुनिटी है ऐसा लगता है?
सर अब इसके दो मेरे हिसाब से आंसर है। इसका पहला आंसर ये जब आप एक एक्टर बनते हो या होते हो, आप हमेशा चाहोगे कि थिएटर में बिग स्क्रीन पे आप दिखो।
राइट।
यू नो आपका वो इट्स अ ड्रीम, वो सपना होता है।
राइट।
कि आपको बिग स्क्रीन पे देखें सब, यू नो।
राइट।
बट अगर आप रीच के इट्स मच इजियर, ये बहुत आसान है आपको। अगर आप नेटफ्लिक्स या अमेज़न पे आपका फिल्म आ रही है, जैसे फॉर एग्जांपल मेरी तेलुगु फिल्म थिएटर्स के लिए बनी थी, लेकिन लॉकडाउन के कारण सर अब ऑप्शन रहा नहीं है।
राइट।
अब ओटीटी प्लेटफॉर्म पे आ रही है, लेकिन सर मुझे लगता है इसमें भी पॉजिटिव है, क्योंकि आपकी ऑडियंस बढ़ जाती है, आपका लैंग्वेज बैरियर नहीं रहता।
करेक्ट।
यू नो
बहुत बराबर।
तो आई थिंक ये बेनिफिट ही है, दोनों ही बेनिफिट है।
यस। अभी ये बोला ड्रीम के बारे में बोले आप, तो हर एक्टर का, हर एक्ट्रेस का कोई ना कोई ड्रीम रोल रहता है जिंदगी में, कि बस एक बार पर्दे पर मैं ये रोल निभाऊं तो मेरा सपना भी पूरा हो जाए और आई कैन जस्टिफाई दैट रोल। ऐसा कुछ रोल है जैसे मस्तानी का बोलते हैं, रानी रूपमती का बोलते हैं, जैसे कंगना ने किया मणिकर्णिका, ऐसे कुछ हिस्टोरी, कुछ टाइम फिल्म या कुछ आइडल्स, ऐसा कोई ड्रीम रोल है आपका? सोचा नहीं है?
सर है मेरा एक्चुअली। नहीं सर
है। क्या बात है? यस।
इट्स मैं नाम नहीं लूंगी।
ओके।
क्योंकि वो आइडिया और वो स्क्रिप्ट ही बहुत अमेजिंग है, वो मुझे किसी ने सेंड की थी।
ओके।
सो sir, it's about a politician, female politician, one of the biggest leader we ever had.
Okay.
So what a great script, what a great role. So
great.
Yeah, that was something I want to do.
Great. Yes. And what about short films? Means if I am a short film script writer and director also, so if I decide something, चलो मुझे किसी स्टार के साथ शॉर्ट फिल्म करनी है, so you will accept the short films or what? कैसा रहेगा? Because short films, this pocket screen is also popular thing.
Correct.
कि शॉर्ट फिल्म अभी सोचा
मेरे लिए ऑनेस्टली चाहे शॉर्ट फिल्म हो, नहीं सर, चाहे शॉर्ट फिल्म हो, कोई टीवी सीरियल हो, मुझे इससे कोई फर्क पड़ता नहीं है, बिकॉज ये सब मेरे लिए, ये सब कैरेक्टर्स और एक्टिंग है, व्हिच इज अ गुड दिस थिंग, यू नो। लेकिन एवरीथिंग इज स्क्रिप्ट सर।
ओके।
अगर आपको कोई कैरेक्टर रिलेट कर सकते हो, ये स्क्रिप्ट है।
यस।
सो
ओके, गुड। So acting is your prime focus. Platform कोई भी रहो, कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता, राइट?
सर बिकॉज आपको वो चीज करनी चाहिए जिससे आपको खुशी मिले।
राइट, एग्जैक्टली।
जिसे आप करना चाहे,
राइट।
तो उससे क्या फर्क पड़ता है सर? आपका फिल्म में अगर 2 दिन का शूट है, फिल्म 2 घंटे की है, उससे फर्क नहीं पड़ता। अगर आपका 2 दिन का शूट है शॉर्ट फिल्म में, तो कोई सर, इट्स ऑल अबाउट वर्क।
Yes. And thank you for being with us, Nishit. Thank you for good
Thank you, sir.
organized. You organized it in a better manner. I will write on this. I will send it a copy to you, and after some corrections, it will go on YouTube as well as in print media. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Yes.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you so
Yes.
much.
Okay.
Thank you, Nishat.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you. Thank you, sir. Bye.
Thank you. Bye bye.